how we made over $10,000 in 7 days with ClickBank affiliate marketing using TikTok as a traffic source. Basically, only TikTok ads and TikTok traffic audience from here. So you can see this is new. Again, this is the new ClickBank account created almost a month ago. As you can see, the last 3 weeks. And over here, you can see we had $10,800. And now, of course, we have multiple ClickBank accounts. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm always testing new niches, new products, new upsells, okay, new downsells. But in this video, let me show exactly step by step how I'm really doing it. Let's go over here to TikTok. You can see, okay, I wasn't that much active for a week at all. And still, the beauty of this is that with TikTok social media algorithm, you can get free organic traffic, free exposure, free algorithm. It means that, for example, if your content gets a lot of shares, as you can see, 1,500 comments in the last, let me see, 7 days. Let me see, in the last 28 days, I had 1 million video views and 100,000 likes, 10,000 comments. Now, what I'm trying to get across in this short YouTube video is that you can make thousands of dollars for free organically. Once you start running the ads, for example, let's say you spend 200 to 300 US dollars, you got like, I don't know, 5,000, 10,000 followers. And it's not about the followers. It's about the right people. It's about the buyer's intent. Okay, when we have females and males, you have to understand we have low emotional states and high emotional states audiences. And then we have 5 stages of awareness. Now, I know none of the other YouTubers or gurus on ClickBank are sharing these secrets for free with you, but the real deal here, the real game of affiliate marketing and direct response marketing, right? Digital marketing here is that there are different audiences and we have buyer's intent, which is the most important. Once you have the right message to the market match, my friend, you will be able to start generating really great results. Okay? Later, you can reach out to me over here on my Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp. Okay? I'm all the time sharing everything so you can see what is possible. Once you take affiliate marketing really, really seriously, you can get really great results. Okay? Working 20 to 30 minutes per day. Now, let me show you how this works in action. The number one secret that no gurus always share with ClickBank or TikTok affiliate marketing is this. The best super affiliates are creating customers. We are not finding it. Okay? We are creating the customers. As you can see over here, let me give you an example. Most of the people with TikTok, UGC videos, YouTube ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, they always say something like this. Do you want to know the easiest way to meet and attract stunning women into your life? In this case, is dating for men niche, okay? So, here you can see they focus mostly on solution-oriented people, which is 20% of population. Most people are not solution-oriented. They are problem-oriented. Or some don't even know they have a problem. So our job as an affiliate is to get people with our ads, our ad copy, with our TikTok videos into the what? Problem state. And from the problem state, we move them slowly to the solution state. Okay? That's the secret of affiliate marketing. Alright? So you can see over here why TikTok is the ultimate gold mine in 2025. Because there was a study made that 44% of TikTok users have purchased based on a video recommendation. So as I have shown you before with the comments, in 2025, engagement is name of the game. Okay, because the beauty of this is once you have ClickBank affiliate link, you have comments, you can engage 5 to 20 minutes per day, post your affiliate link, your ClickBank link there, and get sales. Easy as that, simple as that. You may not believe it, don't have to believe me, but as you know, if you're smart, there are 10,000 people who were commenting. Do you think you can get at least one sale for $200 per day, or one sale for $100 per day, or at least 5 sales for $100 per day for free? It means once you start running ads, maybe 2-3 weeks, you can stop running for 2 weeks and you can still make $100, $300 or $500 per day in profit on ClickBank without running any ads at all. That's the simplicity, okay? Keep it simple, but also deep psychology of TikTok affiliate marketing. You can see how fast you can make money. You see, if you're getting with all the upsells, of course, for weight loss supplements on ClickBank, right? One sale per day, one sale per week for $500 is $2,000 profit per month. If you have 5 sales per day per week, you're making $10,000 per month, okay, or $20,000 per month. It's entirely up to you how much you want to make. All right. So what we get done together, as you can see, this is not a course where you watch videos for 6 to 8 weeks, hope something sticks, and then you find out it's outdated. It used to work 2 years ago, but in 2025, you have to have someone who help you, hand-holding you one-on-one, step-by-step, and show you how to think outside of the box and actually start finally once for all having results. Because let's be honest, right? If you already knew how to make money with TikTok and ClickBank, you wouldn't be watching YouTube videos, right? But you don't. And it's not your fault, because maybe you bought some courses in the past. Maybe you tried free videos on YouTube and it didn't work. You found out there's always something missing because you didn't have someone who was there for you one-on-one over the Zoom calls to show exactly how to finally get it up and running. Okay? So we together get this done. Now, you can see that those are the results, as I showed you before on my Instagram, that you can have if you take affiliate marketing with TikTok in 2025 seriously. Because you only need laptop, Wi-Fi connection, and at least 20 to 30 minutes per day of your time to make it work, to make it happen for yourself, right? You don't have to be genius. You just need someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step, and show the right methods, the proven methods that work in 2025. So you don't have to also show your face. You don't have to pitch your friends or family. You don't have to sell any products to your friends and family. Okay, but the beauty of TikTok is that people are already there to buy. Okay, it's not like Facebook, which is social media for messaging. TikTok is a place where people are swiping credit cards, debit cards daily to get the products to their house delivered, physical or info products, right? So it's different psychology of the market, right? Buying psychology is different on TikTok, and also compliance is much better. You can post before and after images of weight loss. You cannot do this. You can't do this on YouTube or Facebook because they will shut you down. Okay, and you can do it worldwide. No matter are you in Europe, Australia, Canada, US, you can do it. Okay. So what to do next? If you're watching this video and if you really seriously want to take action now and get real results, then you can connect with me one-on-one. My WhatsApp number, my Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and email are in the description, in the bio below this video. You can reach out to me, but only if you're really serious, if you really want to take it to the next level, if you have some money and a little bit of time to invest in yourself, then we can make it happen, okay? Let's not making excuses, let's not procrastinate, and let's take some action.